Hi, welcome to Crafty Chaos. I'm Laura.
And I'm Sherry.
Welcome back, Sherry, from being out sick last week. We missed you.
Thank you. I missed having fun with all y'all too. The flu's not good. So
It is not. So today we are going to be making bourbon-infused black peppercorns. Yay!
Woohoo!
This is an easy project, and it is so good. You are going to find yourself wanting to put pepper on everything. It's also good for a meat rub for you carnivores that eat meat. I do not, so I'm using it on every vegetable, eggs. I know that's a sketchy thing for vegetarian type things, but anywho, it is a great thing to do. So we've got a few ways of showing you steps of it. We've got in between, beginning, and final product. So we're going to go ahead and get started showing you the beginning. We've got ball jar, mason jar, and Sherry's got a metal lid. I did pick up plastic lids. I have done some fermenting with the metal. I'm probably going to give her a plastic lid.
Are you really?
I really am. Go ahead and do it with the metal. I didn't realize you had metal. With me fermenting, metal tends to mold.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, but you're not fermenting. It's not going to be in there a long time.
No.
It's going to take 7 days to do this project. And you just swirl it one time a day to make sure it's doing well. And we've got Tellicherry peppercorns.
I probably use whatever kind you want to use. I got mine on Amazon. I don't know.
I did too.
Yeah.
And these were said to be better because they're spicier.
Okay.
For food. So that's why we got these, or that's why I got these. And they are spicy. And this is my second. Woo! Look, I can make a mess every time. And I'm making a big batch because all of my pepper is spoken for.
There you go.
So that's how good it is.
So I'm making some for my husband. He likes to smoke meat. We have a big smoker. So that's what he enjoys doing. Briskets, pork shoulders, butts, whatever. So I figure this might be something for him.
Yeah.
Something different, and also to put on our table, in the house, because Laura's done it and said it was really good. I said, you know what, I'll let you try it first. Yeah. And we'll see. So she really liked it.
And all mine is spoken for, so we're just filling that up.
Is this?
I didn't. But if you feel like it, do it.
You let yours, you let it sit for how many days?
7.
7 days, and once a day you just give it a little stir just with your hand.
Yeah, don't shake it because that stuff is so potent. It stained my countertop. If it comes out of the lid,
I can believe that, yes.
Yeah, it will. If you have laminate, which I do, and I just do this.
So just once a day, give it a little shake like that.
Little shake, and in 7 days you will take it out. And your paper towel, and I kept this nasty paper towel just for y'all to see what your paper towel is going to look like. It is disgusting, but that's what it's going to look like. And I made such a batch last time that I had 3 paper plates full. And then this is the dried version, and it's just very dry and potent. That is some potent.
Can I smell it? Okay.
Yes, potent. And then after you get to this point of it,
how many days does it take to dry to that extent?
It took 4 days, but this is longer because we were waiting for you to get well so we could do this.
That's so sweet.
So once it's dry, and you'll know, I changed the paper towel. So I started with this in the beginning and just changed out the paper towels until it got to this.
Okay.
Then you're going to take a coffee grinder, and I'm hoping this is going to reach.
Let me say while she's putting that in there too, it doesn't matter what kind of whiskey you use.
Bourbon.
Bourbon. Yeah. But like the brand name doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just whatever. I got this because it was cheaper than other ones, but she had used it and said it was good on the peppercorns. So There you go. But you can use whatever you want.
And your grind,
whatever bourbon you want.
Yeah, your grind can be as coarse. Let me get that before she gets it. Thank you.
Massa will definitely grab that.
And she was going for it. Let me have another sick dog for a week. So you can grind it as coarse or as fine as you want it. I think coarser would be better for Rafe just because he's going to...
Yeah, use it as a rub, part of a rub that he'll do.
Yep. So I'm going to, unfortunately... You want me to get an extension cord, do you think?
No, we're good.
Okay. People. This is going to be a noisy just for a minute. Okay. I do mine a little finer just because I'm not putting rub on the meat. And then I'm going to take a clean paper towel here and show you what it's like on the paper towel. And then if I don't like that grind, I can do it again.
Yeah, because it's fine, and then there's some
bigger pieces. And it's really just how
it smells good.
I mean, woo. I'm telling you, there's nothing like this. So, and I've heard some people save the alcohol that comes out of this and use it for Bloody Mary. Girl, that would put hair on my chest a mile long.
I don't know about
because that is really
strong liquid,
but it's really good.
I can't wait.
And there we have it.
So you can, of course, Laura, her sister's a foodie.
She is.
And
your husband is
you're big into cooking meat. And then your daughter also, it's her birthday coming up. So she wanted some too. So, this is a great gift. It's not expensive. You can make many gifts for many.
Yeah. Father's Day. We're going to be doing some salts coming up, some rosemary from your rosemary plant.
Yes.
Awesome. And these containers, I got Goodwill. And the coffee grinders, they have those all the time. They have a lot of those in there. So it's really inexpensive, except the initial of the purchase of the peppercorns. And once you do that, if you're not going to use them all, put them in your refrigerator. They'll last longer.
Yeah, and I wonder if you can use white, maybe white peppercorns. I wonder, they're different color peppercorns.
Just the Tellicherry are the strongest and better for if you're using meat. That's what they recommended from the research I did. But other than that,
so it's great. It's a wonderful thing for your home and for a gift. So
absolutely. We hope you have enjoyed this quick Crafting with Chaos episode. We're glad Miss Sherry's back.
Thank you. And thank you again, yes, for joining us today. And if you would like, please subscribe and hit the little, there's a little bell. You can click on that bell. We have been talking about doing some lives. And I just got sick for a while there, so I could not. But we sure do appreciate you. And thank you for your comments. We did want to mention
Little Miss Sweets. She left us some beautiful comments we were real happy with, and we just loved it. And we love and respond to all your comments. So we take the time to read every one of them and appreciate everyone that leaves a comment.
Sure do.
Good, bad, ugly, whatever. We read every one of them and respond. And
that's right.
Please hit the like and share and subscribe buttons. And we will be back next week with another Crafting with Chaos. Thank you.
Bye-bye.